Hold on a minute. Mama and baby had their kittens. Mama and daughter. This is the daughter. That's Stormy. And there's Lola. Lola, wave hi. Hi. I don't know whose kittens are whose. But as long as they're being fed, I guess. We came home today from the store with a surprise. They had their kittens at the same time. They're purring. Oh, they're so cute. Stormy, you're taking up the whole box. I've never seen anything. Oh. Stormy is a first-time mom. Lola, this is her third litter, so she's a pro. Oh, she's cleaning her. Cute. Say hi, Stormy. There's the babies. Hi, Lola. Who's a good mama? I hear you guys purring. There's more babies back here. There's some more babies. Hi, Stormy. I thought they were missing today and I couldn't find them anywhere. Lo and behold, they were having babies today. I didn't even know it. Okay, I'm gonna let them sleep for the night and relax. Say bye. Say bye, girls.